Hi guys, today I am going to unbox the Grenaro S12 Wireless Microphone. In this video, I will show you what comes inside the box and some of its key features. The price of this microphone is 700 rupees. So at first, let's open the box and see what accessories are included inside. After opening the box, we get a small accessory box. Inside it, there is a microphone windscreen filter and a charging cable. Next, in the main box, we get the Grenaro wireless microphone with the windscreen filter attached. It comes with 3-level noise cancellation and you get up to 6 hours of battery life. We get a Type-C receiver which you can connect to a phone. We also get a 1-year warranty card and a user manual. These are all the items included in the Grenaro S12 wireless microphone package. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.